Welcome back to Mastering Meds. Medical writing plays a critical role in drug development and clinical research, but many freshers misunderstand what medical writers actually do. So here are some key things every fresher should know about medical writing. What is medical writing? Medical writing is the process of creating scientific documents related to medicine, healthcare, pharmaceuticals, and clinical research using scientific data and evidence. It converts complex clinical or scientific information into clear, accurate, and structured documents for regulators, healthcare professionals, or the public. Example: clinical trial report of a new drug, regulatory submission document, manuscript for a medical journal, patient education leaflet. Major types of medical writing: regulatory medical writing, clinical medical writing, scientific or publication writing, medical communication or healthcare writing. Let's see each one of these. Let's start with regulatory medical writing, documents required for drug approval and regulatory submissions. Common documents includes clinical study protocol, investigator's brochure, clinical study report, informed consent form, and common technical document. Purpose: to submit scientific evidence to regulators such as U.S. Food and Drug Administration, European Medicines Agency, Central Drug Standard Control Organization. These documents are critical for drug approval and market authorization. Clinical medical writing. Clinical writing focuses on documentation generated during clinical trials. Examples: clinical trial protocols, clinical study reports, safety narratives, case report summaries, patient-informed consent documents. Purpose: to document clinical trial design, conduct, and results accurately. Scientific or publication medical writing. This involves communicating research findings in scientific literature. Common outputs: research manuscripts, review articles, conference abstracts, scientific posters, editorials. Medical communication or healthcare writing. This type focuses on communicating medical information to healthcare professionals or the public. Examples include drug monographs, continuing medical education (CME) content, patient education materials, medical website content, healthcare articles. The goal is clear communication of medical knowledge to non-research audiences. Key knowledge areas every fresher must understand: drug development process, clinical trial guidelines, literature search and evidence evaluation, basic statistics, ethical and publication standards, writing and language skills, important writing principles, clarity, accuracy, conciseness, scientific tone. Avoid ambiguous statements, unsupported claims, promotional language in scientific writing. Entry-level roles for freshers: junior medical writer, regulatory medical writer, scientific writer. Those were some key basics of medical writing every fresher should know. But remember, this field is much broader and involves many specialized documents, guidelines, and scientific communication skills. Till then, keep learning, keep mastering.